hit them with a left. We're not gonna act like we know that song. My hair is dry and crispy. I'm going to wet it and be right back. So now I'm going to apply the onion juice. This is Green Beauty's onion juice recipe. I'll put it in the description box. So I basically cut up some onions, let it sit for a while, put it in a pot, let it boil, strained it, and I didn't want to waste the onions, so I blended that and put some water in it again and strained that as well. Then you add in your cayenne pepper. I'm about to section my hair, so we already have 1 section, 2 section, 3 section, 4. So now I'm going to apply the onion juice recipe in sections. This can be very messy, and when I apply it, I'm also going to be massaging it into my scalp. You don't have to apply it on wet hair because obviously the mixture has water in it, but my hair was very dry, so that's why I did that. Apply it to the length of my hair and my roots. You guys don't have to make this messy as I did. As I said, my hair was very dry, well actually crispy, so I had to put water in it because I felt like my hair was breaking off in my hands. I've been doing this consistently in the months of January and February. I kind of slacked off in what's after February? March. Don't act like you don't have slow moments too. And April, yeah, very slackful. That's not a word, but we're gonna use that today. So does it work? I'm going to do this consistently. Well, I'm going to try to do it consistently for a year, if not every week, every other week, to see what's really up. But what do you guys think? Do you think my hair is growing faster than normal? I'd like to say that the consistent massaging of my scalp has also been helping me in terms of hair growth. I always tell you guys this: massage your scalp. This isn't a joke, okay? Massage your scalp. One more thing, this mixture leaves your hair very soft and hydrated. Here we go, massaging the life into that scalp. Yes, bring it all in. I'm gonna put on a shower cap and leave it on for however long. I usually don't time, I try, but sometimes it's just like I have stuff to do. Now it's time to shampoo. You don't want to walk around smelling like onions, smelling like cooked food. If that's what you're on, then go ahead, boo. Smell all savory. After shampooing, now I'm going to apply my Alma paste. Let's go. You can opt for doing the Alma paste or the oil. I haven't tried the oil yet, but I think I'm going to switch to doing that because the paste can be very messy and hard to get out. The only things I'm adding to the paste: warm water to make mixing easier and an oil. If you guys have been keeping up with my videos, you guys would know that I have been using Amla to help with the thickness of my hair and hair growth. I put this on the length of my hair and my scalp. I feel like this does really work, especially in regards to getting thicker hair and growing in hairs in areas that has not been growing for a while. The only downfall is that this can be very drying because it has a lot of vitamin C, which can be drying on the hair. However, if you were to make the oil and you add moisturizing oils with it, it should be a lot less drying, so that's why I want to switch as well. Man, this is so messy and annoying. I try to do this at least once a month or once every 2 months. I don't go overboard with this because, as I said, it can be drying. I've been doing this since last year when I introduced my banana and avocado hair mask to you guys, so it's been a while. I also have a ratio where you have more water. This was my first time really trying the Alma without any extra ingredients because you guys know, as I said, I did it with the avocado, banana. I had a lot of moisturizing ingredients in that hair mask. I'll put that in the description box for you guys. Leave it on for however long your heart desires. I probably left it on for like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, maybe an hour, I don't know. Bam! Washed out as much as I could have. If this is too drying for you, you can go in with a deep conditioner or condition just to give your hair back some moisture, or you can just mix it in with your deep conditioner and call it a day. A big con for me was that I still had some of the product left in my scalp, especially in the front area of my hair. So you have to thoroughly rinse this out or slightly go back with a gentle shampoo. I'm going to try the oil and see which one I like best. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.